This video is my honest review of Apple Fitness Plus subscription service. I used it for 30 days and here's what happened.
Apple Fitness Plus is a great service made by Apple for all Apple Watch users. It has one major problem: it's paid and pretty expensive for just a bunch of fitness videos with fancy music. It would be nice if this great service would be free by default for all Apple Watch owners, but it's not. Why? Find out in this video. But before starting the actual video, I just want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and activate notifications for all my future videos. I would really appreciate your support. Without losing more of your time, let's go straight to the topic of this video. So what is Apple Fitness Plus? Apple Fitness Plus is a subscription fitness service for all Apple Watch users made by Apple a few years ago. For $10 per month, you'll have access to a series of pre-recorded studio-style workout sessions with different intensity levels, equipment or no equipment, and various trainers. Once you start a workout on your iPhone or iPad, it automatically starts tracking your metrics on your Apple Watch, and you can see your progress and activity rings in real time on your iPhone, iPad or Apple TV if you're exercising at home. Apple Fitness Plus offers different workout types, including meditation, strength, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, yoga, core, pilates, dance, kickboxing, cycling, treadmill, rowing, and mindful cool-down, alongside inspiring music from top artists, thoughtfully chosen for each workout to keep users moving and motivated. If you don't have an Apple Music subscription, you will still get Apple Music while exercising. Workouts are guided by a team of charismatic and passionate trainers who are specialists in their fields and are inspired to coach all levels, from beginners to fitness enthusiasts. All of the workouts also include a trainer demonstrating different modifications of the current exercise, so there is always someone to follow, no matter your fitness level. For those not sure what to do, Fitness Plus recommends workouts based on what they already enjoy doing, so you can jump right into exercising with something familiar, try something new, discover a new trainer, or find a workout to complement your current routine or workout plan. Users also can use the intuitive filter to choose the trainer, time, workout type, and music to fit their mood. For people who are just starting their fitness adventure or getting back in shape, absolute beginner workouts provide expert guidance through the basics of HIIT, strength, core, and yoga. In the beginning, I was a little bit skeptical about the quality of these workouts. I thought that Apple Fitness Plus trainings would not fit my fitness level and would be too easy and boring, but actually they don't. Some workouts are pretty challenging, especially kickboxing. Punching the air for 30 minutes is not easy. Some movements are getting really complex by the end of the workout. And by the way, I really like the coach Jamie Ray. My second favorite trainer is Greg. I like his core workouts and mindful cool-down sessions. He's a nice guy. I like him. What I like about Apple Fitness Plus? I like the simplicity of Apple Fitness Plus. Take your iPhone, choose your favorite workout, duration, intensity level, and trainer. Press a button and you're ready to train. Fitness videos are really professional and easy to follow. This is very important for people who are just starting to exercise or people who don't have the motivation to go to the gym. Take your iPhone, take your Apple Watch, go outside and enjoy a great workout guided by a professional trainer. What I don't like about Apple Fitness Plus: unfortunately, you cannot choose your own music to match your workout. I cannot say that Apple Music selection is bad, but I would prefer to have the choice of listening to my own tracks, because why not? And of course, the price. These videos are perfectly tailored and very professional, but I don't think that it costs a lot of money for Apple to actually produce Fitness Plus videos. Of course, they have to pay for the trainers, but all in all, it's not a very expensive thing to produce for the most valuable company in the world, right? Apple charges users $10 per month for simple fitness videos, and don't get me wrong, Apple Fitness Plus workouts are great. They would be even better if they would be free, at least for Apple Watch owners. Knowing Apple, they will never give you something for free because why should they? That's why Apple is the most expensive company in the world. Who will love Apple Fitness Plus? This service is made for an average potato who just wants to start exercising or for someone who is traveling a lot and would like to stay in shape. There are a large variety of workouts that you can do without any equipment. Who will not enjoy Apple Fitness Plus? If you are a professional sport enthusiast, you might find Apple Fitness Plus workouts pretty easy and not challenging enough because they will not match your professional level. Guys, I'm coming right from the future, so you're already watching this video, but I forgot to mention one thing. The Apple Fitness Plus subscription gives you some additional features in the mindfulness app on the Apple Watch. There are some Fitness Plus audio meditations. I mean, I never tried, but if you're interested, it's here. Should you subscribe? Apple Fitness Plus offers you a free 30-day trial period, so if you're interested, you can always try it out. Anyway, it's free, so why not give it a chance? But honestly, I would not pay $10 per month just for simple fitness videos that I can find for free online, probably with the same trainers. And I have a dream that one day Apple Fitness Plus will become free, and everyone, no matter your budget, will be able to access great exercise. When my trial period will be over, I will cancel my subscription because I don't want to pay for the service I can have for free. And by the way, I don't have any financial problems. I can buy myself everything I want, besides the private jet maybe. I will cancel my Apple Fitness Plus trial because I can list you thousands of free resources and mobile apps that offer pretty much the same experience, maybe in a little bit less fashionable way, let's say. Conclusion. Apple Fitness Plus is a good service. I like how it works, I like the idea, I like how it looks, and I like Apple Watch integration, but as I mentioned earlier, it should be free and come as a standard feature for all Apple Watch users. It would really enhance the Apple Watch experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech, Apple and lifestyle-oriented videos. By the way, subscription to my YouTube channel is free, not like Apple Fitness Plus.